Hello dear Zoom Auto family. Today we are taking a calm and confident look at the 2026 Lamborghini Urus project by Larte Design. A bold reinterpretation of the world's most famous super SUV. Lamborghini has always built machines that refuse to be settled, and the Urus already stands as one of the most dramatic high-performance SUVs ever created. But when a specialist design house like Larte Design steps in, things become even more extreme. The goal here is not simply refinement. It is transformation. This project pushes the aggressive character of the Urus even further with dramatic visual upgrades, sharper aerodynamics, and a presence that turns every street into a stage. At the front, the SUV greets you with a redesigned carbon fiber splitter, larger air intakes, and a sculpted hood that channels airflow with precision. The signature Lamborghini Y-shaped lighting remains, but the surrounding bodywork becomes sharper and more muscular. Moving along the sides, extended wheel arches and deep sculpted side skirts widen the stance, giving the Urus a planted and powerful posture. Large multi-spoke performance wheels fill the arches perfectly, emphasizing the vehicle's athletic proportions. Around the back, Larte Design introduces a striking rear diffuser, an aggressive spoiler, and redesigned exhaust outlets that amplify the Urus personality. Pricing for this exclusive transformation places it firmly in the ultra-luxury performance segment, targeting collectors and enthusiasts seeking something far more unique than the already spectacular production model. Step inside. The cabin reveals a luxurious performance environment designed to combine Italian craftsmanship with modern technology. The seating layout remains spacious and supportive, offering room for 5 passengers with deeply sculpted sport seats that provide excellent comfort during both spirited driving and long journeys. The driver position feels commanding yet focused, placing key controls within easy reach. Premium leather upholstery wraps the seats, dashboard, and door panels, enhanced by contrast stitching and unique Larte Design accents that elevate the interior atmosphere. Materials throughout the cabin reflect careful craftsmanship, with carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum details, and soft touch surfaces, creating a refined yet sporty character. Build quality feels solid and precise, reinforcing Lamborghini's reputation for combining luxury with engineering excellence. Cargo space remains practical for a performance SUV, offering a generous rear compartment suitable for luggage, daily errands, or weekend travel. Foldable rear seats expand the available storage area, adding versatility to the Urus' everyday usability. Technology plays a major role inside the 2026 Urus. A digital driver display provides configurable performance information, while the central touchscreen infotainment system manages navigation, media, and connectivity functions. Smartphone integration allows seamless access to apps, calls, and streaming services. Advanced driver assistance systems add convenience and safety, including adaptive cruise control, lane guidance, and intelligent parking support. Beneath the sculpted hood, the Urus continues to deliver supercar levels of performance thanks to a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Acceleration is explosive, launching the SUV forward with authority, while the all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional grip in various driving conditions. The adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts ride height and damping, balancing comfort and performance depending on the selected drive mode. Fuel economy remains reasonable for a high-performance SUV of this caliber, thanks to modern engine management and efficiency improvements that optimize power delivery. The Urus lineup typically offers several trims and customization possibilities, allowing buyers to personalize colors, materials, and design packages according to their taste. With the Larte Design project, exclusivity becomes even greater through limited production upgrades and bespoke visual elements. The result is a machine that blends supercar excitement, SUV practicality, and extreme visual presence into one unforgettable package. Thanks for watching, Soon Auto Family. If this review revved your heart, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more epic car reviews, and tell us in the comments, would you pick this modern Eleanor? Or does the classic still rule your heart? Until next time, drive safe, drive fast, and keep chasing your automotive dreams.